In 2017, Meghan Markle's engagement to Prince Harry ignited a media frenzy, thrusting her into the throes of Hollywood gossip. Overnight, her past as a successful actress in Suits was overshadowed by relentless rumors about her family and potential scandals. The tabloids scrutinized everything, from her wardrobe choices to the dynamics within the royal family, often sensationalizing ordinary events. Despite her efforts to maintain privacy, the invasive nature of gossip made it impossible for her to escape the public eye. As Meghan fought against these narratives, her story became a powerful reminder of the toll that celebrity culture and unchecked gossip can take on a person's life.